countries. Number one, Maldives. The Maldives define what a fair-flung getaway should be with its white and beaches, world-class resorts and palm trees-filled forests. The Indian Ocean archipelago's traditions are influenced by many of the neighboring countries, creating a multifaceted culture unlike anywhere else in the world. Plus, below the aquamarine water surface lies thriving ecosystem of colorful coral reefs and unique sea life that can only be found around the Iceland. Number 2, Costa Rica. Costa Rica plays host to an estimated half a million species across its misty rivers, valley, idyllic beaches, and rare grassland. Nearly a quarter of its land is under environmental protection, allowing for its native flora and fauna to thrive and create a naturally breathtaking local. Beyond its landscape, the Central America country also is home to numerous five-star space and restaurants that help visitors and their day of adventure on a relaxing note. Number 3, Tanzania. The natural wealth found in Tanzania is almost undescribable. Describable. Over a million wild beasts make the great migration across the Serengeti, the protected plain in the northern part of the country, in a phenomenon that happens once a year. Rhinos and zebras mingle in the short grass plains of the Ngorongoro Greater, and Tanzania is India Ocean facing coastline offers sparkling white and beach and serene waves. Number 4, United States. The geographic and cultural diversity of the United States is unlike any other in the world, from the snow capped mountains in Mount Rainier National Park to heavy, lush Nepali coastline. There is natural beauty of found in almost every corner of the country. Even the cities, both big and small, are home to some of the most magnificent examples of historic and modern architecture in the world. Number 5, Peru. Many have heard about the monumental Inca reign at Machu Picchu, but consider that just the silver of the wonder Peru has to offer. In the heart of the ice desert lies the quaint oasis of Hauchonia, where guests can explore the neighboring dunes behind, settling in the small village at night. Not too far from the green peak of Machu Picchu sites the rainbow-colored mountain Viniconca, and a trip to Peru is not complete without a trip to Lima, the country's capital city, filled with colonial-era architecture and plenty of pre-Columbian art. Number 6, Japan. No country possible balance the excitement of city with nature's calmness as seamlessly as Japan. Fragrant cherry blossom and the Arashiyama bamboo forest provide refuge in Kyoto, while at night the city comes to life with people packed into restaurants to try culinary masterpieces, country-old shrine and temple dotted throughout the country provide lesson on the nation past. Meanwhile, Tokyo country to provide itself as a leader in innovation. Number 7, Iceland. Subterranean ice caves, towering volcanoes, and black and beach. Iceland has some of the most unique landscape on the planet. Reykjavik serves as an idyllic land paved with its scenic view of the Blue Lagoon, an impressive art museum dedicated to Icelandic creative and an up and Coming food scene. Just 30 minutes outside the city lie Lux, hot spring and glaciers valley for a full of taste of what Iceland has to offer. Take a road trip across Ring Road which spans 8 to 8 miles around the coast of the Iceland. Number 8. Kenya. The East African nation has earned a reputation around the world for its expansive savanna grassland and diverse wildlife. Tough Kenya's natural beauty does not end there. You will find glacial lakes at the foot of Mount Kenya, lush indigenous woodland at the Mau Forest Complex, and dazzling blue waters on the coast. The country's most populous city, Nairobi, is the outpost for the countless artisans from the woodworks and weavers at Masai Market to skilled glass maker putting Kitangula hot glass on the global design stage. Number 9. Thailand. Across its nearly 1430 island, Thailand presents a wide range of attraction from the bustling city of Bangkok to the mangrove shrub lush forest of Koh Kood, Chiang Mai's golden temples, lively market and budding culinary scene blend the thrill of modern city with historic charm and important. Number 10. Namibia. With amber sand dunes, endless golden grassland, and emerald blue lagoon, Namibia's vast natural beauty goes unmatched. The Namib Desert, the world's oldest, spans more than 1200 miles with streaking Deertree Valley at Sossolvi and sand dunes leading to Sandwich Harbor. Thank you for watching video.